Eric, what are you doing?
I'm digging.
Digging in the dirt?
Yeah, I did.
Are you making a mess?
No, I'm not.
Are you throwing dirt at Pam?
Yeah.
Is it fun? Ew, what's that?
That's the boy.
Whatever it is now by Pam.
Please stop.
Eric, do you think that's nice?
What's that?
That's a dirt clod. Do you think it's nice to throw dirt at Pam?
A boy?
Oh my God.
Hey.
Oh my God.
I'm glad I wanted dirt for lunch.
He's like throwing it really hard now.
Nope, dogs.
Oh my goodness. Run away, Pam. Do you think it's nice to throw dirt at Pam?
Hey, that way?
Eric,
What?
do you think it's nice to throw dirt at Pam?
No.
No? Then why are you doing it?